What up though? Videotape the dance floor that I'm building here in the backyard. I'm gonna be using pallets. So let's see how that work out. And I got all the pallets there. And my son Emil over there helping out.
Where them fans at?
Yeah, seeing where them fans at, yeah. Alright. So I'm showing you the finishing, but not the finishing product, but the pallets that I put together. I had to use a total of 15 pallets, 7 sheets of plywood, and there's a light piece right here that's a 4x4 to fit in right perfect. So the 7 sheets and a 1 piece of 4x4 should give you a nice dance floor for your backyard party. People can hustle. You'll see it once I finish the product. Alright, y'all. Y'all can see somebody putting boots on the ground, fellas. Yeah, this how we get down. I told y'all, that dance floor I built. Yeah. Wait a minute.